In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of Typeform, a fantastic tool for creating professional and engaging lead generation forms. Whether you're looking to collect customer information, generate business leads, or simply grow your audience, Typeform makes the process both simple and enjoyable. So let's get started, shall we? First, you want to open Typeform and navigate to your workspace. When you're there, you'll see an option that says Create New Form. Click on that to begin, and you'll have two options. You can start from scratch, which gives you complete creative freedom, or you can choose a template for a faster setup. Templates are particularly useful when you want to hit the ground running with the design that's already been thought out for you. Just make sure it aligns with your needs. Once you're in the form builder, you'll want to kick things off with a welcome screen. Trust me, first impressions matter. On this screen, aim to add a brief message that outlines what users can expect. Is it a consultation they're going to receive? A free resource? Maybe a quote? Whatever it is, make it inviting and informative to set a positive tone from the get-go. Next, you're going to click the Add Content button. This is where the real magic happens, as you start adding your lead capture questions. I recommend starting with the essentials, basic information like the user's name and email address. For the email question, make sure to use validation. This helps ensure users enter a proper format, which is key for further communication. Once you have those basics down, think about any additional questions that align with your objectives. Depending on your goals, that might include asking about their company size, services they're interested in, or even their budget range. Remember, to improve your completion rates, keep those questions short and straightforward. The last thing you want is for users to feel overwhelmed and navigate away before they submit. After you've added your questions, take a moment to explore the logic section. Here you can add conditional logic if necessary. Here's a neat little example. Let's say someone selects a specific service. They might be eligible for follow-up questions tailored just for that choice. This not only personalizes the experience, but also keeps your questions relevant to the user. Now let's move on to customizing the design of your form. This is where you can really let your brand's personality shine. Play around with different colors, fonts, and don't hesitate to add your logo to make the form feel cohesive with your branding. After you've put your creative touch on it, it's essential to have a strong ending screen. This is your chance to thank users for their time and provide clear next steps, whether that's checking their email for more information or directing them to your website. Before you hit that publish button, always, and I mean always, test the form yourself. Use the preview mode to see how it looks on both computer and mobile devices. It's crucial to ensure that everything is displaying correctly, as more and more users are accessing forms via their smartphones now. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's time to make it live. Click, publish, and snag your share link. This link is what you'll use to place the form on your website, in your social media posts, or even in your email campaigns. And there you have it. That's how you create lead generation forms in Typeform. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, please share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Your support really helps. Thanks for watching and happy form building.